India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
खुबशे लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्ले where people were making allegations की नाव खंयच्या खंय घेता म्हणून. सो तितून भितर 1990 Act जो आशिल्लो तितून भितर powers to change now will be given to the judiciary. आणि तितून भितर बदल हाडला की that person who will want to change his or her name will have to be first of all born in Goa, and number two either one of his parents or grandparents should be born in Goa definitely. आता पहिली भाशेन हँडरायटींग बी ते जायना आनी लोकांक ते अंडरस्टँड जावपाक हँडरायटींग डिफिकल्ट जाता. So now we are changing that inventory proceedings by computerized statement, म्हणजे टायप करून त्यांनी दिवपाक शकता. इट वॉज नॉट अलाउड इन लॉ. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी आज कॅबिनेटान केल्या. सो आय हॅव टेबल्ड अ बिल विच एज लॉ मिनिस्टर विथ द अप्रुवल ऑफ द ऑनरेबल CM की आम्ही अमेंडमेंट इन द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऍक्ट जे सेंट्रल ऍक्ट आसा. We are asking to table the bill in this assembly which will be passed by the assembly and then sent for presidential election. आता कितें चेंजीस जे आसा जे पयलीं कितें जातालें की आमी पळयताले की सेल डिडाचेर आमी बोटां लायतालीं आनी ते बोटां लावन ते दिताले आनी दुसरे फोटो लायतालो आनी थंय आसतना मागीर आमी रजिस्ट्रेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक वचून मागीर परतून थंब प्रिंट आमी स्कॅन करताले आनी फोटो स्कॅन करताले आनी दोन सेपरेट फोटो जाताले. सो दॅट वी आर ट्राय टू सिम्प्लिफाय after getting it which is bill to be passed in the assembly will get presidential election that the photograph concept and bill je thumb impression galta we will take all the thumbs in the registration department instead of putting before kira ata ami online submit karta. So this change we want to do.